Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to connect your Namecheap domain to Squarespace? In this tutorial, we will show you how and the steps to link your domain to your Squarespace site, ensuring a smooth and professional setup. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, let's go ahead and open squarespace.com. By clicking on the first link, you would be able to go to this page. Click on get started and we will be on our way to create our site. So let's keep everything, browse templates, and I'm just gonna choose start with this design. I'm just gonna choose random things just as we can create our site directly. Now as you can see, we have created the site, so I'm gonna click here, write the random things, next, and get started, and there we go. So now once we have done that, so what I'm gonna do is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. So I'm going now to go to the settings. As you can see here, the second thing that comes right here is domains and email. Make sure to go here and register and manage domains from Squarespace or other domain seller. So click here and use a domain I own, so click on this one, and then here write the domain that you are going to use. Now let's go to the Namecheap. Go to namecheap.com. Let me show you how you can get your first domain. So first of all, when you go to Namecheap, go to domains and click on domain name search. After you click on that, you will have here a couple of suggestion of the top tier domains at the moment, and you will have here a search bar where you can search for a specific keyword that can be used as your domain. For example, you can write here your brand name, so it can be your domain name. So I'm gonna write something random, for example, Square Wix or Square Sheep. And after I've done that, these are the domains that I have as suggestion, so I can buy them, and this one basically is taken by someone else. So in case I would like to have this website or domain, I will have to make an offer, and of course the offer will be passing the price of the current domain by 2 times at least or 3 times at least. So it can be very expensive depending on this website and what do they do. For example, here this website, even if it's not really available or not working, well, it's still gonna be having a higher value since I want it. Now let me just close it because we don't want that. Here you will have other variations in case the domain.com, which is the global one, wasn't available for you and you still wanted to keep the same domain or the same name but different kind of domains. So for example, here we have .org, .bot, .net, and .ai. Now the prices of these websites are gonna vary a lot. For example, .org will only be costing you $7, .bot is $64, .net is $10, and .ai is $80. Now why is there this variation? Basically because of the trend. So nowadays we have ChatGPT, we have Midjourney AI, we have OpenAI, we have a lot of websites that basically are using AI as their domain, and it is the era of AI at the moment. So everyone's talking about AI, artificial intelligence, and basically it has taken the internet and everyone wants that domain for themselves. That is why this domain is high in demand and high in price. So higher demand, the higher price it would be. So that's for sure what's the case for here. And now if we would like to add this domain, or for example, let's say we bought it and we want to buy it, we simply have to click on add to cart, checkout, and we need to go and put some informations. Make sure that you put it on 1 year. Just make sure to close this. Yes, close the auto renew, we don't want that, and confirm order. Put your informations, your credit card, etc., and then you will be good to go. For me, I'm just gonna go right here and I'm gonna go to my dashboard just like that, and here we find my domain name. So let me just copy it and go right here and paste it. I'm gonna click right here, and after a few seconds I will just click on connect domain. So there will be two options. The first option, which is basically transfer the domain from Namecheap to Squarespace, but I don't want that. I want Squarespace to be still here, and basically I want my Namecheap to be in the place. So my website will be in here, and Namecheap will have the domain. So I will not really transfer anything. So now what I'm gonna do is to click on use DNS records. Here, select provider, it is Namecheap as our provider, and connect domain. So here, connecting in progress, so let's continue. And here they are the things that we need to do. So we need to add these records to our Namecheap account. So let's go here to manage, and after I clicked on manage, you'll be taken to this web page. We simply have to wait until it loads. So it's going to take a few seconds or few minutes depending on your internet connection. Or overall, you can simply just go ahead and go to the advanced DNS. So let's go here to advanced DNS. Make sure that you are using name servers as Namecheap basic DNS. So we go to advanced DNS right here, and let's choose here DNS template. Let's go ahead and choose add records. So here you will find Shopify, WebWorks, etc, etc. For me, I'm gonna start by adding this one. So here let's start by adding a CNAME record. So I'm gonna click here, search for CNAME. Here we go, and let's add the CNAME records. So the host will be this one. Copy paste, add a new record, CNAME, copy paste, and paste and save. Now since we are done with CNAMEs, we are going to add now the A record. So here the name will be always add, so let's make dozens of ones. Why can't I do that? Okay, here we go. Okay, now let's add this one here. Let's add a new one. So there we go. Let's add a new one now, and we have to add them all. So now we have added like 3, or basically 4 we have to add, or 2 I mean, and now we have to add the other 2. So there we go, and here we are. So after we finish with that, just save, refresh the page, and now what we're gonna do is to refresh this, and they are currently like finding it, and just like that we have to wait a couple of minutes. But if we click on proceed, they will be taking us anyway to our like Squarespace website. We just have to give it a couple of minutes. So basically that was it guys for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.